Today is an early review on the Jordan Bordeaux. Today is an early review on the Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Man, these things look the same. Hit the B-roll. Moving like I got a lump sum. Frontin', we don't do that where I come from. I've been out grinding on the road. The game's to be sold, not told. Okay, I'm on the way now. First used to be solid, now they fade now. I don't know who I can trust. Looked in the sky, told mom it's only us. Stunting on these haters is a must. And the Wrangler men, I know they see me. Light green pants, looking like sir. So in my hand here is the Jordan 7 Bordeaux. And I think this is the 2015 or maybe 2013 pair. I only wore it one time, as you can see. With this colorway, this is not an everyday rock sneaker. But yeah, this Saturday, Jordan brand is coming out with a Jordan 6 in the Bordeaux colorway. And I think the reason they're doing this is because this year is the 30th year anniversary of the Jordan 6. 1991, when he won his, should be his first championship, maybe two, but I think it's his first one, was in the Jordan 6. So this is the 30-year anniversary. And they decided to give us the Bordeaux colorway for the 6. As y'all can see here, eye to eye, it's like the construction is so similar that you can't really tell a 6 apart from the 7. Either way, man, let's get into this early review. Yeah, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So you got your regular OG original Jordan box. The elephant joints at the bottom. Very dope, man. I mean, you seen them one, you seen them all. Flip open the lid. All that spackle elephant print. Get a 360 view going real quick. Boom. So you got your nice gray. That Jordan brand, I think, never hit on again after this gray. This gray right here is not Flint. This gray is just, I haven't seen another sneaker hit on this gray yet. Your black nubuck suede gives you that Jordan 6 silhouette all the way up to the top. Come around. You got a Jordan man on the back. You know, I'd rather Nike Air there. But you got your Jordan man there. Got your maroon or Bordeaux hoop here. And the inside does the same as the out. If you know about Bordeaux, which you probably don't know if you're new to sneakers, because Bordeaux came out years ago, it's known for this tongue here. Now, if y'all can see the back of this tongue here, you see the colorfulness, the blue, the Bordeaux wine color, black. That was made famous on the Jordan 7 here. That's what made this Jordan 7 Bordeaux so popular. It was this colorful tongue. So on the Jordan 6, being that the tongue here is that rubbery feel, they had to put the colors in the back to give you that same Bordeaux feel. But you can see it through the tongue, as the tongue is translucent, so you can see that colorway through the tongue there. As y'all can see, boom. You have a yellow shoestring button, I like to call. Some people call it a holder. It definitely pops because there's no more yellow on the sneaker. So that pops. There go your maroon color here. As y'all know, you can Google this. Bordeaux stands for red or white wine. And we know Jordan must love wine. Shout out to Kobe, Vino. But then you go there, you got a nice silk tongue. Right there, that goes all the way down to the bottom in the triangular shape. The insoles sport that Bordeaux 6, Bordeaux 7 colorway also. So your soles have that Bordeaux look also. Now with Jordan brand, it's very rare that a Jordan just pops up at us. With all the internet and all the J23s and all the people who follow sneakers, it's very rare we just get one that pop up at us. And this one kind of sort of just popped up at us. It wasn't like no hype around it or anything. They do drop this Saturday. I paid $206. That's with tax. That's New York. I say they'll get, man, because who knows whenever we'll get another Bordeaux colorway. This was 2015. So who knows whenever we'll get another Bordeaux colorway in any Jordan. I would like to see a Jordan 1 in a Bordeaux colorway. Y'all let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. Market, I did cop another EE Eric Emanuel New Era hat. This one is the Houston Astros. Very dope look. I like the jean trucker material there. Real dope look. As far as the Bordeaux, I feel like it's a clean shoe. It's a shoe that you're going to have in your collection for a long time because you're not going to be able to wear it that much unless you go and get a whole bunch of wine colors and things of that nature. I'm not in the grail room. I will be in the grail room for the next couple of videos. I'm this close to finishing. My new setup I had there. I got rid of a lot of sneakers, but we'll be there real soon, man. But this is an early review. Bordeaux 6. Got it right this time. Bordeaux 6, man. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Moving like I got a lump sum.